Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. So I have to quickly show you guys this Walmart haul. Check your Walmarts, check your Lowe's, check your Home Depots, because they are marking a lot of stuff down. So let me show you what I got from Walmart. So I'm probably gonna go back and get more before everybody takes it, but they literally were marking down so much stuff. I got these Hookura. They were $4 each. Look at that. $4 each for these. And I have been wanting some brighter colored Hookura for the garden. I've got the wild berry from Proven Winners up there, and I planted it up there, and I need more. Hookura come in so many beautiful bright colors, and they are a pop of color amongst a sea of green in the garden. And you know how it can get gardening, it just turns out that everything is just so green sometimes, and you just have this block of green, and if there's not anything in bloom, then it's just this almost like a wall of green. So Hookura are a great way to break up a sea of green, and I love them for that. So these were all $4 each. I got 6. Actually, I got 8. Let me show you the other 2. So here are the other 2. They are different. They're slightly different in color, and they kind of look a little different in the leaf shape as well, but they were given fall vibes to me. So I'm like, I'm not ready for fall yet, but they were making me feel like I want to be ready for fall. And these guys were $4 each. These are Hookerella. Aren't they gorgeous? So pretty. Okay, so I had to grab more Artemisia. I love Artemisia. They were $4 each, and they are gorgeous. They're soft, they're fluffy. If you watch my other videos, I have bought a few other Artemisias, and I'm just in love with them. I had 2 that were right where the chicken coop is, or yeah, the coop, and they ended up getting covered up because we put this coop in. Well, the coop was already up, but we redid this area in winter time when everything was asleep and you couldn't see it, so it got smothered. So now I have this 2 more Artemisias to put around the garden. Next up, this one was not on clearance, but I want more fruit bushes. So this is a raspberry. Let me tell you what it is. Raspberry shortcake, and it is self-pollinating. But I have a raspberry right there, which is similar to this one. I think it's the same brand. I'm not sure it's the same variety, but hopefully like having those 2 in my garden will give us even more berries. Last but not least, I got some lavender plants. These are hardy down to zone 6, I believe, and sometimes we straddle that line here, especially this winter where it did not get super I mean, we had like a polar vortex in December, but other than that, it was not that bad. So okay, it's down to zone 5, which is -20, so it should be good. They smell amazing. $2 each. You cannot beat that. Like, and I think I'm going to actually plant the lavender in the cut flower garden, because the cut flower garden gets so much more sun, and then I'll be able to cut, have it in there. Like, the cut flower garden doesn't just have to be annual plants. So having perennials that you like to cut back as well and use the flowers for medicinal purposes, or just, for decorative purposes. So I think this will be a good addition to the cut flower garden, which is right up over there. Now, I told you that this was going to be short, so thank you guys so much for watching. Check your Walmart, Lowe's, all your big box stores. Check them for clearance and see what they have going on. Let me know which plant that you like that I just got, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.